Number 5, it asks what value of x would make this polygon a parallelogram? Well, we know certain things about a parallelogram. We know that the opposite angles here have to be congruent. So therefore, we can set up the equation that 70 degrees has to be equal to x. Okay, so there we go. We just solved for x. But then we also know that this angle here has to be supplementary. So the 110 plus the x has to add up to 180 because consecutive interior angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. Subtract 110, subtract 110. Okay, this gets you x is equal to 70. You see, we solve for 70 in either way. So, okay. B, we know that this angle and this angle have to be supplementary because the consecutive interior angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. So we know that x plus 2x has to add up to 180. Okay, x plus x, it is 3x, is equal to 180. Now we divide by 3 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with x is equal to 60 degrees. And let's do the last one. Okay, we know that this angle and this angle has to be supplementary because again, the consecutive interior angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So x minus 10 plus x plus 10 has to be equal to 180. X plus x, it is 2x. Minus 10 plus 10, that gets you 0, is equal to 180. Divide by 2 to both sides, leaving you with x is equal to 90 degrees. So those are the values of x such that you can use to show that this polygon is a parallelogram.